Morning, Commander. Commander Zikusegoba Clinic la. Namhlanje olwesithathu. Yeah, it's Wednesday today ntambama. Isikhathi ubani? Sekungabo 5:30. Yeah. Segoba Clinic bengisebenza. Nakubeke ekhotikiwe. Kodwa ke ngithe hayi isotsha lifele emsebenzini walo. Sebenzile ke amakhomanda egoba nje ukubona la seclinic. Njoba ubhekile iyo ilokho njani igoba clinic le. Abantu nakho bayi424 and then yala igoba eclinic la ihlalele nje security lodwa la. Lezansi ku empty vele khona ngeze ukuzasibuye ngapha. Go clean nangapha. Hayi ku clean nje ngisebenzeke kakhulu namhlanje. Commander morning. Yeah. Nangapha amakhomanda. Siyangapha ngifuna ukukhombisa ukuthi hayi siyolwa khona siyongena ekuthuneni. Sijikela ngapha amakhomanda. Siyaphuma nangapha ngoba nibona. Ngikhambe ngapha amakhomanda. Yabona khomanda ngale kuya kumnyama ngapha. Ama security ayihlalele odwa. Ayihlalele odwa amakhomanda. Bavala khomanda ke bavala. Ya ngovala gate. Clinic goba lena amakhomanda igoba. Isikhathi manje ya kora 2:05 siyaphuma futhi la. Siza ngapha. Naba abantu is only 2-4. 6 kuphela. Commander. Hayi, umnandi kupholile nje. Ngaphandle la. Ngaphandle la ilokho njana. Naya. Segoba lapha amakhomanda. Commanders morning commander morning. Hayi siyabonga amakhomanda kwanamhlanje kusebenzekile asazi ke kusasa. Sohlala njalo sihlomile. Commander morning.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Operation Dudula iyaqhubeka nokuvimba ama-foreigners edibhedlela nasemakliniki ngemva kokuthi i-High Court ekhiphe isinqumo asekuthi i-Operation Dudula kumele kwekelele ukulekwenta kokuthi yonqabela ama-foreigners from entering ma-public health cares and they are saying ukuthi they are not gonna stop, but they will continue to fight for this country. They will continue to fight ma-foreigners ekutheni angagqithi ama-services ala South Africa. If bafuna kuya ema-clinic nasetibhedlela, they must go to private clinics and private hospitals instead of government hospitals and clinics. So they are saying ukuthi ongeke bavenge nge-court bona batoqhubeka ngokuwena umsebenzi wabo everyday batovuka uba ema-clinic bayovimbela bona laba abathi abangabavimbi ukuthi bangene etibhedlela. You know, it's so sad kuba i-South African nokuba i-taxpayer la South Africa because ma-taxes webantu adliwa ama-foreigners and azajabule ama-foreigners makeva kokuthi i-government yala Mzansi yaba-defender senyalo bayogqwala ke lapha emakliniki na-10 bantwana bafuna ama-services. So ama-members e-Operation Dudula athi bayothola sinje. Bayosithola nje sibalinzile. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Say goodbye.